So today I want to walk through how to disable the double click to install apps on iPhone and how to get rid of your password requirement entirely when downloading free apps from the App Store. If this video helps you, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's a really easy way to support the work we're doing here, and I would greatly appreciate it. Now, just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, if I hit the Get app here, it's going to have this double click to install, and then it'll scan my face and I can install it. We want to get rid of that. And to do that, what we need to do is open up our settings. Inside of our settings, there's a few things that we need to turn off. All right, so first, what we need to do, we're going to turn off the double click to install button. We're going to get rid of that first. And to do that, we're going to go down to Face ID and Passcode and enter my Face ID and my passcode. And here we're going to turn off iTunes and App Store here. Just going to toggle that off. So now when I go back to my App Store and I hit the Get button, it's going to require a password instead of the double click to install. Now, if we want to get rid of that password requirement, we're going to go back to our settings, and in settings, we will scroll down to screen time. In screen time, we're going to go to content and privacy restrictions. And here we will go to iTunes and App Store purchases, and we'll turn off this don't require password. So now when I go back to the App Store and I hit the Get button, oh, it's still requiring it. So this is a common issue with this setting. What we need to do now is actually turn off the phone. We'll turn it off. Perfect. Put in my passcode, open this up. Now that we've restarted the phone, if we go back to the App Store, perfect, we'll scroll down. Now when I hit this Get button, hit install, no more password requirement. So for some reason you have to restart your phone to get those settings to kick in. I'm not sure why, but that's how you're going to do it. Now, you will still need to enter your password for apps that are not free. This is only the free apps. And yeah, so that's all I have today. Again, if this helps you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.